One of the most dreaded Saturday chores is cleaning out the garage. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and I'll share some ways to make that job easier and the space more useful right after this.
Temperatures are warming up, but we're making it easy for you to chill out with our Today's Homeowner Beat the Heat giveaway. Enter now for your chance to win an Arctic Cove misting kit, the perfect solution to keeping things cool this summer, whether you're working around the house or lounging by the pool. The prize pack also includes some Stay Cool Today's Homeowner gear, perfect for your next barbecue or trip to the beach. Enter today at todayshomeowner.com/giveaway.
Nobody likes to do it, but the whole family benefits from a clean garage, so begin by sorting the chaos into piles to keep, to donate, or to throw away. Only keep what you know you'll use. Install nails or hooks on the wall to hang lawn chairs or garden tools, and add shelves to get as much of the small stuff off the floor as possible. To clean up oil spills on the concrete, try using cat litter to dry up the mess. Grind the litter into the stain with a brick and sweep it up in a dustpan. To protect car doors from banging into the walls, try using a pool noodle. Slice it in half lengthwise and screw each half-round piece to the wall adjacent to where the car doors open. I'm Danny Lipford with a few tips for today's homeowner.